data structures in C course. Under topic 2, I am going to create a Scrum. So ensure whether your editing is on, then select add an activity or resource. I am going to select the Scrum activity. So the Scrum will come under activities. Click add, give a name for the activity, general name for the activity. Then under the file selection, you can drag and drop your file. Drag and drop it. Maximum 500 MB of content can be uploaded both in IMS and in Scrum. Maximum file uploading size is 500 MB. So once the file is uploaded, you can see under your home page file, under your root directory file, you can see your ds-scrum new.zip. So where you want to place your Scrum, you want to have it in the current page or in the new window. I wanted to have it in the current page. How many attempts you want to have, how long you want to make the assessment available. If you want to close it tomorrow itself, means you can set the time limit. And grading, how the grading is done. The grading is done for 100 marks, that is the maximum for 100 marks. Or you want to go for average grade, sum of grade. I am going for the highest grade. Then attempt management. For example, you want to go for only one attempt. The student can take only one attempt, means select the one attempt. Or if you want to go for two attempt. Or if you want to give the option of unlimited attempt, go for it. That's all. Compatibility setting, everything should be selected as no. If you want to give us auto commit as yes, you can go for yes. Then at last, give save and display. Save your work and display. Let us see how it is displayed. So once you save, this is how you will be getting for DS Scrum. Click on the enter mode. So you can see the first data structures, unit 1. So under unit 1, I am having the syllabus. Under introduction to C program, I am having the structure of C program. Under videos, I am having the video for the C program structure. Below the video, I am having the assessment. So I am having the assessment, the first multiple choice question followed by the true or false question and my interactive video. Okay, for example, you can give like you can select the choice, you can submit the answer. It is like 50% because the for the second question the answer is option number 1. Then for the true or false question, the answer is true. Play your interactive video. Let us start playing the video. So at 0.442. So exactly at 0.42 seconds, my video is stopped and I am getting a question to be answered. Okay. So select the correct answer. Check your answer is right. Then you can start playing the video. That's all about your Scrum. So the main difference between IMS and Scrum is that IMS allows you to create a static content management module, wherein in Scrum it will give you an interactive assessment based content management system. Thank you.